How to recall mail in Outlook. So if you want to recall mail in Outlook, then what you need to do is you just need simply search for Outlook and open up your Outlook application at first, or you can also go with your browser. So once you open up your Outlook, what you need to do is you just need simply go with a message. So once you're here on the message, now you just need simply go with the right side of that message, which has that three dots icon. And here you will have an option of recall. But if you don't have the option right here, then it means Outlook has removed that option recently, because previous we would have that option here. Or you can just simply go with the message, right click on it, and you may have the recall option right here. Or you can also go with your browser and open up your Outlook on your browser. Once you open up your Outlook on your browser, you can simply click on any message and then go with the three dots, which is on the upper right side. And may have the option of recall, or just click on the message or select the message, go with your more options, and here go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and here you may have the recall option. So if you don't find the recall option, that means you've updated your Outlook and now we don't have the feature of Outlook, or it may be available in some regions or countries and your region might not be available in that. So that's how you can recall mail in Outlook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.